Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I did a video 2 weeks ago that was all about subscription box skincare, and there are so many products that were left out of that video, but you guys seem to enjoy it. So today, we're going to jump into a whole bunch. I have like 20 products in front of me of Boxycharm skincare products, including the Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb, which is the April 2021 spoiler, going into a full detailed review on all of these products, where to use them in your routine, how they work, and for what type of skin. I know that a lot of people get a lot of questions when something comes in their box. They really don't know where to use it or how to use it. And when it comes in my box, I open it up, and unless I use it consistently for 28 to 60 days, I don't know if it works for me. So I really can't give you too much of an in-depth review when I get it. So today we're going to do the review on all the products that I've been using for weeks, in some cases months, in some cases I have some products here that I've been using for years, and we're going to go through all of the details of the products, how to use them, and the works. So if that's something you're into, make sure to stay tuned. Today we're going to try and keep this in the order of a skincare routine, so cleanse, treat, hydrate, protect. So I'm going to start with cleansers. The first is the Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser. This was a BOXY pop-up item. Where I remember what boxes it came in, I'll let you know, but I know I don't remember all of them. This is a jelly cleanser, super lightweight, packed with vitamin C, which is going to help to lighten, brighten, and tighten. You'll see this trend throughout this whole video. Vitamin C lightens up any discoloration and deep pigmentation, tightens the skin, and brightens up dullness by helping to, give that glow back to the skin. I like it. I don't love it. I'm going to try and keep these to pretty tight reviews just because there's 20 products to go over. But it's good. I will say that as far as the gentle cleansers I've used, it's probably not my favorite, but it's definitely something that I've been using and will continue to use up until it's all gone, but not something I'll go out of my way to get again. The next cleanser comes from Murad, and this is already the third or fourth bottle I've gone through over the course of my life. It is the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. You guys know Murad makes some of my absolute favorite skincare products. This one is lightweight and exfoliating, so it's going to help to give that skin a little extra glow and get rid of some of that dead skin on the surface. I will say if your skin is a little drier, you can definitely benefit from exfoliating, but I would be careful because too much exfoliating can actually cause you to start peeling and flaking. So I would definitely recommend at first to use it maybe once a week, maybe twice a week, giving yourself 2 to 3 days in between. And eventually you can work yourself up to like an every other day regimen, but I don't recommend using this every day. That's where I would go in with something a little bit more gentle. The exfoliating cleanser, you want to keep it to a minimum. Next, coming out of last month's premium box, this is the Tower 28 SOS Skin Mist. You guys will see I'm already halfway done with it. This is a product that they sent to me before we even knew it was going to be in a box. So I've been using it for about 6 weeks now, and I'm a huge fan. What I love most about it is that it sterilizes, and it helps to keep bacteria and other things off of the surface of your skin. The way you would use this is throughout the day, just give yourself a lightweight mist and go about your business. You can use this as part of your skincare routine or just throughout the day to help keep bacteria off your skin. Now, this is not designed to like treat acne or anything like that, but having less bacteria on your skin will help reduce the amount of breakouts you're getting. Another thing I like to use this for is I will actually spray my razor with this before I shave my face. Anytime I'm using a beauty tool, I will spray it before it hits my face just because, I sanitize my tools after I use them and I wipe them down before I use them. But, having a little mist of this type of a spray on top will never hurt it. It also helps your body to absorb extra hydration, which again will help with anti-aging. I've done this analogy on my channel a dozen times, but you crumple up a piece of paper and wherever, the fold was, you will see that wrinkle. But if you were to soak this in water, the wrinkle disappears. And that's basically how our skin ages. So wet, moisturized, hydrated, and oily skin will definitely age a little bit slower than drier skin. So you want to make sure your skin is nice and hydrated. The next item is the Bitter Green Essence Toner from Biro. I actually got 2 of these and I've gone through a full bottle of this before. I like it. I will say as far as essences go, it's not my favorite, but Brandon really likes it, which you guys know, to find a product that Brandon is all gung-ho for and really enjoys using, I will keep it on hand forever because he's finally doing skincare. You guys remember how pulling teeth it was to get him to do it, and now he has his own like 7 or 8 step routine, so I'm not mad at it. It does smell a little bit like broccoli and kale, not gonna lie, but it does make your skin feel really balanced, really hydrated, and in essence is designed to help the rest of your skincare penetrate deeper. So putting on the essence will actually make your skincare and your serums work better. I do have two more, I'm going to call them essences. They're technically serums, but they're also hydration boosters. So I'm going to put them more in an essence category. It is the Pure Heal Centella 90 Ampule and the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster. Now, neither of these are products that I would consider to be a full-on serum, but they are going to hydrate and help the rest of your skincare work better. The hydration booster will help your skin absorb more hydration out of the rest of your products, and the ampule will help to balance your skin and prep it for more product to sink into your skin. I would put both of these in the essence category, so I don't think you need to use all three of these, and if I had to pick one that I like the most, it would probably be the 111 Skin. But that being said, all three of them are nice. What I really like using this for is after I do a deep exfoliating scrub on my hands, I will take a few drops of this onto my hands and rub it in, just to help keep my hands extra soft. Going in with moisturizing lotions and hand care. Our hands are some of the first things that show signs of aging, so making sure that they're staying hydrated is always a good idea. On to full serums. The Kate Somerville Biomimicking Peptides Serum is for smoothing, soothing, and hydration. It's going to help with lines. I will say that this is one of those cult classic favorites that a lot of people really enjoy. And I'm not going to say I dislike it, but it's more preventative. So this is one of those things where you're really not going to see a whole lot of results, like if you're going in with something that boosts glow, or something that's really heavy with vitamin C that's going to help to brighten your skin, or really any of that tightening. I find that this is more keeping everything where it already is. So somebody who's my age in your 30s, this might be something to start using, but as you get a little bit older, you'll probably want to gravitate towards this a little bit more. Next up from Farsali, this is the Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. Now, this is marketed as skincare, and I'm going to say it is nothing more than a glowy hydrating primer. Now, a primer in general is really just a supercharged moisturizer, so I think it does what it says it does as far as, can be used as a radiant skin serum alone or mixed with makeup. It definitely gives you that hydration and a little bit of glow. But when it comes to that really hydrating feeling, there are so many serums that I think do it better. This one, I would probably just say use it under your makeup. It'll give you a nice tack, and it'll really help your skin to stay hydrated under your makeup so it doesn't get crepey or creasy, or if you set it with powder, it won't look super dry. But without makeup, I really think that it is more cosmetic than it is skincare. Yes, it has hyaluronic acid in there, but so many products nowadays do that I don't think I need a serum dedicated to hyaluronic acid because it's in so many other things. All right, we have 3 moisturizers to talk about it, so I'm going to go pretty quickly. First, there's the Lineage Calming Mousse Moisturizer. Brandon likes it, I don't. It is a foaming mousse, exactly like it says, where it's super lightweight, blends into the skin nicely, but it basically just feels wet. I don't feel super hydrated after I use it. Even though my skin is more normal oily or combo oily, I find that I want something a little bit thicker to really feel like I have that hydration on. And Mac, if you don't lay down, he likes to upstage me. He's a drama queen. I want my moisturizers to be a little bit heavier so I can really feel it hydrating. This one, I think I feel that hydration for maybe an hour or two, and then I feel like I need to, grab on a mist or something because my skin doesn't feel hydrated anymore. So the 2 that I also have here that I like a little bit more for daytime is the Marc Jacobs Youthquake. Resurfacing, anti-texture, helps with the appearance of, any texture on the cheeks. You guys know how textured my cheeks used to look, and I think they've gotten so much better. And for night, it is the Pure Overnight Detox Anti-Pollution Submerged Moisturizer. I actually think that this is light enough to use during the day, depending on your skin type. If you are dry, I think you're going to want to use something a little heavier for either during the day or at night. But it is such a lightweight feeling moisturizer. It goes on and it doesn't feel heavy. It just feels hydrating and glowy. And look how instantly there's that glow of hydration on the cheek. All right, now we're going to move into masks, exfoliators, and tools, and some other things. These are more miscellaneous. So first, the one you guys care the most about. This is from Wander Beauty. It is the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. This will be coming in This is going to be a choice item for the April Boxycharm box. I believe it's the premium box, but don't quote me on that. I love this product. I gave a rave review about it the first time I used it months ago. I have been using it ever since. So this is a retinoid. which is going to be a very anti-aging ingredient. Definitely something I think can work for anybody. I do want to give you that little warning that if you're using a retinol or a retinoid, start off by using it once a week and build yourself up to every other day or every third day. And if you put this on at night and you don't put on SPF in the following morning, you're actually doing more harm for your skin than if you didn't use this at all. So please follow up your retinol and your retinoid with SPF. It is the most important skincare routine. If you did nothing else but cleansing your face and using sunscreen, it is better than if you skip the sunscreen altogether. It is that important. So this stuff is amazing, but please follow up with your sunscreen. I love how it makes my skin feel. It's retinol, and a good retinol for that is one of those products where even when you smooth it on, you feel your skin feel nice and smooth. And the morning after I use this, my skin feels so good to the point where I've gotten any day I'm filming, I use this the night before just because my skin feels so much smoother, my pores feel tighter, my skin is less textured, it's just better. All right, we have 3 exfoliating products here. 1 I love and 2 I don't. First, it's going to be the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. I love this. It starts off pink, and then as you massage it in, it goes white. It exfoliates your skin, gets rid of that dead skin on top of your skin, and helps your skin to look more healthy, glowier, brighter, the works. Now, you guys know I prefer a chemical exfoliant over a physical exfoliant because physical exfoliators are like sandpaper. They scratch your skin to help remove the debris, but unfortunately, you'll also damage healthy skin cells. So that's the reason I don't like the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. I've been basically bashing this product for years. I don't like it. However, I will say I use it on the sides of my head. I keep my hair very, very short, and because of my curly hair, which I'm not washing every single day, my scalp does need a little bit more of a detox. So I will use this around the side of my head to help detox my scalp, but I will not put it on my face. And the third exfoliator was the Go-To Exfoliating Swipey's Foolproof Exfoliating Pads for Glowing Skin. I liked this when I first got it. I used it for about 2 weeks, and I was really happy with how it worked. And then I didn't use it for a few weeks because I was using some other exfoliating products. And then it had this really weird, like, rancid smell to it. So I ended up throwing out the remainder because if you think your skincare smells, don't put it on your face. Not a fan of how it held up. So because of that, I probably wouldn't recommend it, but if you have it and it smells fine and it's new and it's sealed, go ahead and use it, but I would make sure to use it up. There are certain products that, you can use it for 6 weeks, forget about it for a month, and then go back to it. I don't think that is the case with these. All right, we are in the home stretch. I've only got 5 products left. From Lineage, this is the Eye Sleeping Mask. This comes on a little roller. You can roll it right on the under eye, and that's going to help using the cooling little ball on the tip. It's going to help to depuff the under eye, and then the actual product is going to help add some hydration. Now, when it comes to your under eyes, you want to make sure you're only using products that are made for your under eye, because this skin is so thin, if you put something on there that shouldn't be there, it will actually get rough and textured, and it's not great. So going in with something specifically designed for the eye area is always preferred, and unless it says 360 safe, do not put it on your lid. You'll notice I took it in this area, and then I just pulled it around the orbital bone, but I kept it off my lid entirely. You don't want that on your lid unless it says it is safe for the lids. I like how hydrating this is, I like how comfortable it is on the skin, and I love the little roly applicator. I think it's one of those things where it says it's a mask, so it's not something to use every single night. I don't think it's so heavy that you can't use it every night personally, but they say it is, so make sure you're being careful with the frequency you're using it, because it's very easy to realize you love it and then just use it every single night. The next product came out of a BOXY Luxe, I want to say like 8 months ago, and I've been using them ever since. These are the Clean Skin Club Clean Towels. They are a biodegradable, I believe, bamboo soft skin towel. Little washcloths are great for wiping your hands down while you're doing your makeup. But when you're doing your skincare and you're rubbing these products on your face, you don't want to use a dirty washcloth that's, been sitting there. You want to use something that's clean and disposable, but biodegradable, so it's responsible for the environment. Now, I have about 1,000 washcloths in my bathroom, and I will use them while I'm doing my skincare to wipe my hands off. But if I have to wash my face and touch my face, I am not using a washcloth. I am using a biodegradable pad, just because it's better for the skin, it's softer for the skin. Any type of cloth, terry cloth, or fabric can scratch and irritate the skin, so I like to be extra careful just because if we're spending the time to put all of this skincare on our faces, we want it to do the most good, which is why using them in the right order and using the right accessories really helps to get your most out of your skincare. I did already show this, but this is the Cosmetic Face Roller. Just like I said, before it touches my face, I do like to give it a quick spray with the SOS spray. But this is something you should be using to firm the skin. By rolling, it is going to stimulate collagen production. It's also going to help to depuff and remove any pockets of moisture under the skin, which is going to help the skin to look healthier and look better. Plus, it is super calming. And you guys know my skin is very red pretty much all the time because everything irritates it. So using a cold roller like this is really good for making sure that I've broken down any like puffiness or congestion within my skin, and it really helps to calm everything. I love doing this immediately after I've done my serums because it helps me to roll everything in and really push that product into the skin. For lips, I have 2 products, and that's going to call it an end to the video. They are the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer, which I'm wearing today. I basically plot this on all the time because soft lips are healthy lips, and make sure you're exfoliating your lips regularly with a sugar scrub of some kind. Currently I'm using the one from Beauty For Real, but I like to alternate that with one from Fresh. And at night, instead of using this, because why not, I use the Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Lip Mask. I've also used the Lineage lip mask before, but this one came out of BOXY pop-up, and this came out of a base Boxycharm box. I really like both of them, and I do use this at night and this during the day. The one thing I will say is it's really easy to overuse these, and then your lips get goopy and they feel gross. You want to make sure you're using just enough that your lips look glowy and hydrated, but you're not getting those little balls of like product mixed with saliva and those white stringies on your lips, because that's not good for anyone. So if you've made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching. If you have any specific products that I did not talk about today that you want me to go over, drop them in the comment section down below so I can make sure to address them in my next video. I'm going to try and do this more frequently where I really go in a little more in depth to Boxycharm and Ipsy skincare products, because I know a lot of you guys have more questions than I typically address in a video because I like to keep it short. So let me know if you like a video like this, and more importantly, what products you want me to go over. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!